Hello guys, this is Sarvesh and you're watching News Tip Tech. Today in this video I'm going to tell you about the printers problem. Either you have the Epson printer, either that is the old series or the new series, either 3110 series or 3200 series. In all type of Epson printer, which is the DexJet, it means inkjet printer, which is the ink tank printer. There is the problem in every printer. The red light are blinking here, like here is the one red light is blinking. Sometime you will get in your printer that two red light are blinking together. So in this case there can be two type of problem, either hardware or software. Right now in this problem, in this printer, here is only one red light are blinking, it means the paper red light. So it means here in this printer is the hardware problem. But if you are getting in your printer that two red light are blinking and together power light is also blinking, maybe there is the software problem. So how we can find this problem on our printer, that in our printer there is the hardware problem or software problem? So it is very easy to find it. Just we need to go simple on our computer desktop and we can find it there. So let's go on the computer screen and we will find it there. I just simply we have two way to check it. Simple. First you can give a print command to your printer, and when you will give a print command to your printer, at that time you will get a error message on your computer screen. So just see that just I'm giving a print command to this printer and what error message is appearing on computer screen. We will find it now. So simply just I have a matter it here, and just I will press here simply Ctrl+P and will give a print command to this printer. When I'm printing that what the error message is coming here, just we will find it here. Error message is coming here, paper jam. So simply just we have a simple way, give a print command to your printer. At the time you will get error message on your computer screen. At the time just we are giving, just you can see on the screen that the error message is coming for paper jam. So just you have the one way to check it, right, like this, and another way that how you can check it. This process can be checked in Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, in any Windows. But if you have the Windows 7 or Windows 10 or Windows 11, if you are not getting this type of error here by giving a print command to printer, how we can check it in another way? So just it is very simple. If you are using Windows 7 like me, that just I am using Windows 7, that just simply you need to click on start menu and device and printer. You will get your printer model series, it will be installed here. And if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you just simply open the control panel, give just search here control panel. So simply you need to open the control panel in Windows 10 or in Windows 11. Here you will get device and printer. Once again you will reach on that screen where you were. Overall just you need to open device and printer option. You will get your printer model is here installed. Right click on, simply right click on that model and click on printing preference option. After when you will click here, you will get option here, the main, more option and maintenance. Simply you need to click maintenance tab. After when you will click maintenance, you will get here Epson status monitor 3. When just again you will get here the error message. So if any types of error will appear in your printer, you will get it here. Like here we are getting the paper jam error message here. So simply if you have the hardware problem, one red light will blink, and if two red lights are blinking together, maybe that there is the software problem and maybe that there is the hardware problem also. But it will be depend that what error message you are getting here on your computer screen. Like if you will get the paper jam, means hardware problem. If you are getting any error code, that is the hardware problem. When you will get the service required option like this, just I have an image for the earlier printer. So service required, just you can see on the screen, when you are getting this type of error, you can contact me, or you can simply download the software, the reset tool from the link given below in description box. And what the process you need to do, just I will give you here the some tips that the software when you will download, you will get it here like this, just I have. But if you are unable to do this one, you can contact me on my number which is showing on computer screen, and I will help you well. And your printer problem will be resolved within 10 minutes. But guys, if you have the problem of service required at that time only, if you are getting the hardware problem, just simply subscribe this channel and I will give you all type of the hardware problems videos in my next videos, which is the upcoming. So if you are getting service required, you will download this software which is showing on the desktop right now. So simply open this one and open the ATC program which is here. When you will open, you will get this software and you need to accept it here, and simply select option from here, and you will get here the printer model number. Like this printer is the 3210, you can see here 3210. So you will select here 3210 and simple click OK, and particular adjustment mode. Click waste ink pad counter, and the remaining option is for the engineer's label. You do not need to touch anything else from here. So simply you need to click only waste ink pad counter and click OK. You will get here three options: main pad counter, platen pad counter, and ink system pad counter. These three options you need to check it, and after that is just you will check here and initialize here. Just simply click initialize button, you will initialize here, and then OK. Your software will tell you that please restart the printer. You need to turn off the printer and once again turn on the printer. So there was the paper jam inside of this printer, that's why this error message was appearing. So right now the paper jam is also finished and the software is also resetted from here, this software. So once again just turn on it and just press OK. This software is telling us that the waste ink pad counter has initialized properly. So it is finished right now and printer will be ready also. But here in this printer there was no any problem of the service required, means the software problem. There were only the paper jam problem, which is, you know, that right now the paper jam has finished and the printer is getting ready right now, and the software is also working now. So if you are getting the service required option, service required error message on your computer screen, you can simply contact me, or you can download these tools from the description box, and then after you can contact me. Your printer problem will be resolved if there is the software problem. If you have any problem, just you can comment in the comment section, I will reply you.